Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So if you want to insert SIM card and SD card, what you have to do first is to put away back cover from this device. And here you have two SIM card slots. Pick one of them. Actually you have to put in the SIM 1 here. And here you have to put SIM 2. And here you have the slot for SD card. Then put cover back. And here, as you can see, or you can see, and that's how you insert SIM card and SD card into this device here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.